Choosing the right blender or baby food maker is a key step for busy parents who want to control ingredients, texture, and nutrition for their infants. The category spans compact, single-purpose purifiers to multi-function steamers and grinders, with price points from budget to premium. In this review, I tested and compared 5 models across safety, ease of use, cleaning, functionality, and value. My methodology included hands-on evaluation of texture control, fine puree versus chunkier blends, noise levels during operation, ease of disassembly for cleaning, reliability of safety features, lid seals, auto shutoff, tilt protection, and overall user experience over a typical week of baby meals. Product number 1. Baby Food Maker 5's 10-ounce capacity baby food processor uses BPA-free plastic and a glass bowl with 8 stainless steel blades. It emphasizes a tight seal lid to reduce spills and a single, high-powered motor designed for quick purees. The design aims for quiet operation and straightforward one-touch use, with disassembly aided by a removable mixing cup for thorough cleaning. The 10-ounce bowl is modest but sufficient for small batches, and the kit includes a brush and scraper for maintenance. This model markets itself as a compact, quiet option suitable for nap times and quick meal prep, with a focus on hygienic design and reliable sealing. Performance-wise, the 8 blades and high-powered motor enable rapid chopping and mashing, delivering smooth purees quickly for fruits, vegetables, meats, and combos. Real-world use reveals that the device excels at small batch routines, but the single speed may limit texture control for thicker purees or chunkier stages. Cleaning is simplified by a modular design. However, since the blade assembly is removable, care is required to reassemble correctly to ensure a proper seal. Product number 2. Groundsy Baby Food Maker with Steam Basket. Groundsy positions this model as a one-stop unit, combining steaming, blending, and sterilization with a Triton bowl and multiple safety features. The 4.13-inch tall, 4.17-inch diameter container supports true steam cooking, preserving water-soluble vitamins and minerals. It includes 3 speeds and smart digital controls for auto or manual blending, plus a built-in sterilizer mode and a 1-year warranty. The device's design emphasizes nutrient preservation and ease of use for busy parents who want to minimize cookware clutter. Performance and use cases. The steam and blend workflow reduces nutrient loss and simplifies mealtime prep, especially for younger babies who require well-pureed textures. The 3-speed options and auto mode allow gradual texture progression, from smooth purees to more textured meals as the child grows. Product number 3. Magic Bullet Blender. Magic Bullet is a compact, budget-friendly blender set designed for versatility beyond baby food, including smoothies and sauces. It includes multiple cups, lids, and a 250W motor with 6 speeds, plus a BPA-free plastic build. The set is known for its quick setup and broad applicability in a small kitchen, making it a flexible option for families that want a do-it-all device without committing to a dedicated baby food maker. Performance and use cases. While adequate for light purees and chopping, the Magic Bullet's power and blade design are not optimized for ultra-smooth baby purees or meat grinding. It excels at simple tasks like quick vegetable blends or homemade sauces, and its compact form factors make it a good secondary device for small spaces. Product number 4. Baby Food Blender MYALIY Go. Emphasizes a safety-first design with BPA-free plastics, 316 stainless steel blades, and borosilicate glass components. The device is marketed as a 6-blade, 260-watt unit capable of grinding and pureeing fruits, vegetables, and meats. The all-in-one approach supports quick 7-second prep with anti-slip base and tilt-activated auto-off for safety. The combination of glass and stainless steel aims to balance durability with ease of cleaning, and the product positions itself as a budget-friendly, versatile option. Performance and use cases. The 6 316 stainless steel blades and 260W motor deliver swift purees suitable for younger infants and early texture development. The glass bowl plus blade design facilitates thorough cleaning, though some users may find the glass heavier or more fragile than high-grade plastics. The tilt sensor auto-off adds a safety layer, but long-term reliability depends on motor wear. Product number 5. Baby Food Maker AMZ Baby Chef markets a 4-in-1 system that steams, blends, defrosts, and reheats. It emphasizes a large capacity for mixed meals and a unique blend feature to customize texture from fine to chunky. The device uses Triton materials that are BPA, lead, and phthalate-free, and includes a timer for auto shut-off cooking. The packaging highlights a practical all-in-one workflow aimed at reducing cookware, making it attractive for parents who want fewer devices in the kitchen. Performance and use cases. The 4-in-1 design supports a broad range of textures and meal planning, especially for families that need to batch cook and reheat. The large capacity is beneficial for cooking meals for multiple days, while the auto timer helps maintain consistency. The Triton material and safety considerations increase confidence, but the device's overall footprint is larger than the smallest models,